Using account level negative keywords in Google Ads is a great way to prevent your ads from showing up when people search for specific terms in any campaign in your entire account. So right now I'm looking at negative keywords for a campaign. So I'm just in campaigns, and then under audiences, keywords, and content, I'm in search keywords. And of course we have the actual search keywords here, and then the negative search keywords. And these just prevent our ads from showing up when somebody does a search on Google that contains these sorts of terms, right? Like Home Depot. We're advertising in this campaign for Phoenix custom closets. And if somebody's searching for Home Depot, they're probably not looking for what this company is offering, right? But this is at the campaign level, which we can see over here. And if you have, dozens or hundreds of campaigns in your account, and you find that you're adding the same negative keywords to every single campaign over and over and over and over, that's kind of inefficient. So instead of doing it at the campaign level, we can come over here and do it at the account level, which is just going to prevent those terms from, firing our ads across any campaign in the entire account. To do that, we just come over to this admin section here and click on account settings. And then you'll see a few options here. If we click on negative keywords, then we'll see that we can add in some negative keywords at the account level. And it works just the same, so we could put like Home Depot. And I'm doing this as a phrase match so that anytime somebody searches a keyword or a term on Google that contains Home Depot, our ads will not show up. All we do is click save. And now we've added a negative keyword for the entire account. So no matter what type of campaign we're running, whether it be search, shopping, performance max, etc., this is going to prevent our ads from showing up when somebody does a search for something that contains the term Home Depot. And that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward. Of course, you can add in exact match keywords. So if someone's searching like closets, Home Depot, we can do that as an exact match. You can add broad match, negative keywords in here, whatever type of keyword match types you want. You can also edit these if you want to change them. You can change it to broad match if we want. So you can, have some flexibility. You can download these if you want to analyze and refine them. Do whatever you need to do. But that's pretty much it. It's a relatively straightforward process, but I hope this video was helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.